A Jagga do it.
But hold on now. Italian me hear what you're saying everything, but me not expect that from Jagga because Jagga make because
I have to ask Jagga that one there.
because you know people play match and talk shit. People talk shit while them a play match.
But Jagga now bring him down. That's the point. You see, the fact of the matter is, Jay is one-sided. Jay want to play with our ex-gal, but we never play with him ex-gal. Mr. Jay I played match with my ex-gal and I diss me up. And one day I play match with Ashley and him come on the live and say, bro, what you do? What if I play match with my ex? And I say, bro, I chew, you know, bro. And I come off a match. And then I think and I say, so when I see Jay, I play match with my ex-girl and I style me and them something there. And me I play match with Ashley. I'm not even bring up him name. He man a hypocrite. And then you know the man do come on the media and play a victim and bring down him friend them and a style for him up there.
But Italian, listen, I don't know where you said this for because that's what Jayden does. So stop going like you know say Jayden style this.
Yeah, but it get to me now when him a come tell you say me no real and them thing there.
But if alright, Italian, listen. Me not pick no side right now, but I know something where him say one time or something where him always say, so that means say you and him have some type of beef or you not something you do him or something why would you say that?
Blinga, alright. If me and Jay we have beef, during the week you ask me. In the week you ask me when me and Jay have, I say what? You not ask me in the week when me and Jay have, I say Jay I'm friend, me and Jay have no.
I told him you big him up and I say
because me know say me and him have nothing. If me and him have something,
maybe him have you up. Maybe him have you up for something.
Exactly.
Italian.
Oh, you have me up for what?
Italian. Jayden not an idiot. Jayden know what I do. Jayden know what work for him. Jayden a mastermind at what he does, and Jayden is the crowd's favorite. So you have to understand that. So
well, me nah go hold it no more and make a man stand. Me I go talk back. Me no give a fuck. If 99 of them are in favorite, the 1% must can understand and say what Italian say are true. Me no give a fuck. Me nah hold it no more, bro. Cause me nah go make him man constantly and diss him own a friend them for him look good. Me nah hold it no more.
Because I diss him do Italian, so me want to know why you in a feelings now when you know say this Jayden do.
In my feelings no. Me just a talk no. Me just a put a stop to it no. Me just a put a stop to it no. Cause I always watch it and me nah say nothing.
Okay, me get you now. Cause me I say, you know.
I always watch it and me nah say nothing. So me I say okay. Alright now. So when me and he say him over this and say me no real, so me I say alright, I'm going to talk now. Cause I'm tired for you bring me down to make the people them hate we to make you look good. So if we come on live come say something back, if Jayden come on live and this way, film chat laugh. If we come on live and this him, them say we bad mind and we no
real. Because me I try to show you say him are the crowd favorite. You understand? You can't wrong when you are the crowd favorite. Learn this from me.
No, me know, Blinga, me know. But me, I gonna make a difference because if one person understand me, I say, me no give a fuck. Me just want to know say somebody understand and say, me not speak no fuckery. I me not say no fuckery, bro.
Alright, you not speak no fuckery, you not say no fuckery, and see you come out like this. This means that it hit something. Because
exactly. Because things when me do for Jay, if friend them are there or no. And me dog them never did it. So them never do it. Me could have lose my life. Me could have get beat up for that demand there.
Yeah.
Man, I run with them for that demand there. I was stand up firm, brother. Things what me do. So it hurt me when the man come on live and say Italian are real and the people them make it look like say a joke him make when him now make no joke. And then Jay go play a victim. Things what me do for Jay not do that for me. When me in a trouble, even you are say where Jay there, where your friend there, him now help you when in your trouble. But when him in a film trouble, me there.
Wendy, thank you. Nads, share, Anita, Tishana. Guys, we are ranking. I'm back now. Come on, chat. Let's push up. We need 133K to reach in the rank.
Alright,
Italian, you see what you do? You swear I don't know. This is good. You stand up for yourself now. Because is it true?
Me nah do this. Me nah do this for nobody like me. Me nah do this for nobody like me. Me I stand up for myself now. You know
Well,
why?
that's good.
Because
That's
I am
good.
tired of this dog, what we call a friend, make him look good and make we all look good.
But
He bring down we.
Did you call him? Did you call him on the phone and say, listen, Jayden, me see where you do on the internet and John, as a virgin dog, me not like it. Did you call him and have a talk with him?
No, you know why? You know why?
Why?
Because Jay millions of time and Jay no answer.
Alright, so guess what? And did he call you back?
Call back what? Jay only call. Let me tell you this about Jay. Me call Jay a million times. Jay put him phone pan do not disturb and Jay we hang up him phone. Or Jay we dey pan live and no answer. You see when Jay in a trouble and want help, are the quickest way that Jay call.
Four Rose chat, come on people.
The last time, chat 4 rows. The last time Jay called me, I answer him. I wile him up and I say, dog, and I so friendship go dog. Wait. Him start laugh and say, dog, you know where? And I say, what you want me to do, dog? Because I'm not sitting here want to do what you call me. I'm still match it up for you. If me a pre-Jay, last night Jay called me. If me a pre the dog, last night him called me, I'm still do him something to do. Him something to do, sit in the film, I'm still turn on and do it.
Jayden called you last night?
Yeah.
Alright, so Italian, you don't see this fucking shit is one-sided? Are you blind?
I see it's one-sided, but when me I say no, me nah go take no more fuck you right now. Because the people them fail to understand when me depend life and when me end my life is a total different me. When Jay depend him life, I go to that the good side there. And end him life is that you saw Jay love chat pan life. If it's Jay in real life, Jay not really chatting.
But you have to understand, you know, nothing with the pan life and with chat. Like me, if you meet me in a real life, I'm just a 2-word person. And you're not going to see me a chat. But true, because we're hosts, you are host, we have to talk for the people. Them. But listen, Jayden talk, say a slime alone in rate, you know.
Exactly.
Alright. You're supposed to feel away.
Me feel away, but me never make it bad at me. You know why? Because you see, when I say something about it, the people would have said, go. The people would have said, go. You bad mind Jay, you bad mind Jagger. You see me? But me I already know why Jay do that, you know. Because remember, you know, Jay tell me, say, why me I play match with Jagger, you know. When Jagger never bust, you know. And me up there, you know, Jay asks me, why me I play match with them low life boy, you know. Me never play match with them boy, fall off, you know. And me live to see Jagger rise. And Jay, I play match with him and take him, you know. So you see now the case, you know.
But look, Blam them get a hype off a Naya death. Look at that. Look at this. Listen to me. Blam them get a hype off a Naya death. What dear? And Blam them get the hype. And one time, Jayden uno play no match with Blam them. And now, Jayden not play match with Blam them. But it's like the same thing. Jayden get a hype the other day. And some people, when never used to play with Jayden, start jump on Jayden bandwagon and play with Jayden. And Jayden not too in them because Jayden do not like to, like Italian, you have to have something going, like you have to have an hype on them, something that Jayden want to play with you.
I'll show you something. And we just want to get the understanding.
That's wrong. Please, everybody focus.
Get the understanding and not saying bad mind. Me see one dog ask Jay for one lion. Because Jay are going on an issue lion. And people come over and say, oh, your friend don't come get a lion. Me I say, yo, the dog know who he want to send team lion. And me see me I play verse one dog and the dog say Jayden. And I beg Jayden lion. I'm say pan live. When Jayden, they pan me live, I send me rose. And I say, bro, Jayden nah go send no lion. And the man say, why? I say, brother, after you have 1K and 2K people I watch you. When Jay send that the lion there, Jay want people see him. So him send the lion so him can get highlighted. Jay not gonna do that, bro. Me I tell you. I know Jay do. Jay start laughing in my comment section. Cause him know say me I shoot me I tell.
Italian me don't know about Une, you know, but me see what Jayden is about, you know. And me not mad at him because at that I work for the man Italian. Me not be biased.
Me no mad at him and me not be biased. But me not go make alright. So like how you play mind game for me I play back mind game for you. Everything I say about me, and if you tell me a joke, everything I say about you know a joke. A mind game for mind game. I just thing they know.
Me not really listen comment section and you know that, but listen, since as we are reason you have 1 and 2 people where watch us. You know where somebody type and say, listen,
Thank you, no chat.
I'm the only one who stand up for him in media. Everybody please, we need the top chat. We're ranking people.
What them say?
I'm the only person who stand up for him in the media. But me I'm gonna tell you something. God forbid certain people fall off now. You're not gonna see him playing with them. You understand? But Italian, we see you. That's why me always I say, why him not deal with you? And when we're ready, I uno over there. Me see you over there enough time. Me see you, me I say, why you not deal with Italian and them something there, brother? Like me we ask him the thing them pan live.
Exactly. And
Okay,
well, I know. Me never go to
with everybody.
Me never go to
Okay.
Jay and beg Jay say, yo, do that for me. Me never go to Jay and beg Jay money. Me never go to Jay and say, Jay, me can't pay my bills, you can't do that for me. Me never do them something there. So it has, this has nothing to do with him achievement because we're happy for him. Because if people are going to say we're not happy for him, like them for God say, are we there from day one and help?
That's what I keep on reminding them.
All me get for helping is, Italian is a good friend. And then when the dog up there now, when one man bust out now, we think say, when one man bust out, the dog are gonna make sure say, alright, make you rest away boss. Not even me, bro. Cause me know how to get around and me know how to hustle, bro. Look on all frost. Even though the man come on live and say, oh, me and Frost are a friend. A slime and Frost a friend. And me and slime a friend. Slime and my only friend. He don't forget where I come from. He don't forget where me do for him. He don't forget certain things that I have to go through. You see me? I don't forget.
Italian, listen. We are chat. We are ranking chat. Today we are ranking
get 30. Everybody's in a row. Everybody's in a row.
Focus. Thank you. No. Please and thanks. Come on, Blinga ears. Focus. We need to get
everybody's in a row, chat. Everybody's in a row, chat. Everybody's in a row. Everybody's in a row.
Pick up on yourself. Let me ask you something, Italian, and me can't be biased right now. Is it true me know what time it is? What me I said to you? What you expect from him? You know, since this a work for the man going on live and I diss the people, the man I said it to them. You not see, and the man niche that.
Yeah, but when it comes to him friend them, brother, Blinga, me see it already, me see it good while, you know. I'm there and watch, you know. But it come to a point when you not go watch no more, when you go just talk. You see me?
Me see it. Trust me, like Italian, alright. All of we there upon TikTok. None of we know walk the red carpet or
yeah.
None of we know bust. Me not care what nobody wants to say. None of we know bust the right way. And if me bust a morning, Italian, remember say me and you know friend, like come here yard talk, read me. But Italian, me not forget, you know. Me not doing it.
Watch out. You see the people, me put myself in a position and then burn me out. And then me put Jay in the position and then pick up peace. You see me? But I just saw it go. But me not gonna make no man stand me and then sit down again, bro.
That means say you come to your senses then. And who wake you up? You just sleep.
No, I mean, you see the thing where him say to you say, me no real and that hit me.
But I know the first day he said them something to me about you.
Actually, that's why me I tell you say a long time me I watch and me really I watch. That hit me the most. And then when the dog say I slime alone, I'm only friend. Them two they hit me.
Well, me gonna tell you something. He's gonna tell you a joke him did I make, but
me know say I'm a joke him.
Oh, Jayden is
exactly.
Jayden
Me know
never
say I'm
rang
a
for
joke
them yet. Jayden never rang for him chat yet. Jayden never rang for the internet because to Jayden, alright, you see Jayden and Blam them now gonna get no rank on the internet right now because I'm tell you them. Part of them niche of it, these people, style people, class them, and the internet love that. You understand?
But when me I say now,
you need your team and your people who truly rate and love you.